afternoon, Mirabel members. I am standing in the new private dining room. Can you just imagine hosting your dinner party here? We're going to have beautiful bifold doors and an extended patio for cocktails. Book your party now, as this room will be popular. And now for your weekly construction update. Drywall has been installed in the ladies' relaxation and massage area, as well as the ladies' storage closet and vanity space. Drywall has been installed in the new shoe room. Hoods have been installed in the new kitchen. Progress continues on the roof and overhang of the fitness center. The beams for the bar overhang are in place. Take a look at our new energy-efficient chiller, which powers the air conditioning to our clubhouse. As a reminder, we will be closed on Tuesday, August 25th when they install the chiller, but we will be back in action for food service on Wednesday, September 9th. As always, we will continue to keep you posted on our progress. Please log on to the website to view our live cameras.